Replace negative self-talk with positive self-talk. Speak positive self-talk to yourself so you can see yourself like God sees you. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. Positive self-talk will help you begin to see yourself as beautiful and wonderful. And He put things in you that nobody else can do. Focus on that. Build those gifts, skills, and talents. If you have someone beating you down and making you feel bad by saying mean things about you, you do not have to let that be your truth. You do not have to be moved by their words. Replace their negativity about you with the word of God. Thoughts are spirit. Do not give in to those negative spirits telling you negative things about you. Positive self-talk that is biblically based will help you cast your burdens on God, like Psalms 55 and 22 tells us to do. Cast thy burden upon the Lord, and He shall sustain thee. He shall never suffer the righteous to be moved. Positive self-talk. This is an example. I keep hope in my heart, even on the toughest days, to free myself from depression and anxiety. I pray to God, who is my help, and I meditate on His word, because He told me to cast my burdens on Him, and He will sustain me, and He will never suffer me to be moved, because I am walking a righteous walk.